See, I think they can give us a curriculum. They can make us teach and say, this is what you must teach. But I still think we own the delivery. And if we go back to what teaching is about, see, we own that. We're teachers. Anybody can read the scope and sequence of a curriculum or a textbook, but they can't all teach. And so how I deliver it is how people are going to remember it. And that is so powerful. And I want to go back there. I want to stop with the drudgery of, oh my gosh, I got to get through this. And I've got 3 kids that are keeping it so I can't get the pacing guy. I know how that's on our shoulders. And I realized that it's just like when I taught vocabulary and stuff to kids, when I taught U.S. history, I'd say to my high school kids, I say, okay, guys, remember, we're having this vocabulary quiz. Remember those words. Remember those things that we talked about, that we studied all week. And they'd say, Miss, I don't remember a couple. I'd say, what was I doing when I taught it? And they said, oh, that's when you were standing on the desk. That's when you were dressed in that costume of the period that you were teaching. I said, that's right. And all of a sudden, the word would come back.